Assalamu alaikum all the listeners. You are watching Naveed Speaks and I am Naveed Kamar. Today our topic of discussion is United Nations Organization and its Security Council. The United Nations Organization is an intergovernmental organization that aims to maintain internal peace and security, develop friendly relations among the nations, and achieve internal cooperation and be a center of harmonizing the nations. After World War II, 50 governments started drafting UNO Charter on 25th April 1945 and it was adopted on 25 June 1945 and the first official meeting of UNO was held on 24 October 1945. UNO has 6 official languages that are Arabic, Chinese, English, French, Russian, and Spanish. Islamic Republic of Pakistan joined UNO in September 1947. UNO has 5 principal organs that are UNO General Assembly, UNO Security Council, International Court of Justice, UNO Secretariat, and Economic and Social Council. In this video, we will discuss Security Council. Other organs will be discussed in a later video. Security Council is an important organ of UNO which is responsible for international peace and security. It may adopt compulsory resolutions on international peace and security issues, recommend the admissions of new members in the UNO and approve any change in UNO Charter. It has 15 member countries, among which 5 are permanent members and other 10 members are elected on regional basis to serve for a term of 2 years. Permanent members are United States of America, China, Russia, France, and United Kingdom. These members have veto power and can veto any substantive resolution. Veto means if any one of the P5 say no to any resolution, then the resolution will not be adopted. If any resolution has to be passed from Security Council, it must have the favor of all the permanent members. Currently, China, France, Russia, UK, USA, Estonia, India, Ireland, Kenya, Mexico, Niger, Norway, St. Vincent, Tunisia, and Vietnam are members of the Security Council. And that's all from today's video. For more informational videos, please subscribe Naveed Speaks. Thank you.